Discover how to get more from life as an internet marketer. When you think about the internet marketing lifestyle, what comes to mind? Traveling to amazing destinations all over the world? Waking up at your leisure and only working an hour or two each day? Or sipping cocktails on the beach with your laptop while you check to see how much money you've made? Although life can be that way as an internet marketer, most marketers have a much different lifestyle. Many marketers start out with dreams of freedom and find themselves stuck to their laptops night and day. Instead of a beach, they're stuck hunched over a laptop at a desk, stressed out, tired, and struggling to get anything done. In fact, one of the big reasons internet marketers don't succeed is because they are not set up to be productive. If you're a new internet marketer, or if you've been around the block a few times and you're not getting the type of results that you want, it's likely because of the way you're approaching your business. The internet lifestyle that everyone dreams about is possible. You can live life on your own terms, and your online business can give you the freedom and quality of life that you always dreamed of, if you know how to set things up the right way. Almost everyone talks about money-making methods, but no one is teaching you how to create an awesome lifestyle while you build your online empire. That is, until now. I've created the ultimate step-by-step guide to living the internet marketing lifestyle. Here's what you'll discover inside. What life could and should be like for internet marketers. The dream of internet marketing and why it can be the ultimate lifestyle for those looking for freedom. The big reasons why almost all internet marketers fail and end up just creating another job for themselves. Why sleep is crucial to your success, and an overview of what it means to have ideal sleep hygiene. How to get to sleep at a normal time each night and get out of bed on time, every time. How to cultivate discipline and use productivity strategies to get more done every single day. Stop staring at a blank screen and wasting time each day, and discover how to separate your day into blocks and jump straight into work. How to improve your productivity with your hardware and equipment. The tools you must have to successfully work on the move. The life of a digital nomad and how to know whether or not that sort of lifestyle is for you. The importance of work-life balance and how to make sure you're not working all the time. A simple method for solving the problem of needing a little more cash. How to charge more money and work less. The power of automation and how to use it to make more money and decrease your workload. Plus a whole lot more. No stones are left unturned inside this step-by-step guide to creating the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. This guide will change the way you run your business for the better and also change your life. This works for anyone, regardless of whether you're a brand new marketer or you've been doing this a while and you're looking to improve your quality of life. This guide gives you everything you need to live the ultimate internet lifestyle. And the best part is, a lot of the methods to hacking the life of your dreams won't cost you a dime. In fact, you can get started changing your life today with just this guide. The results of these lifestyle improvement hacks come quickly and will potentially last your lifetime. And the best part about this is the price. Although what you'll learn inside can easily improve your life, give you more free time, and boost your income by thousands of dollars, you'll get access to this for a fraction of what I should be charging you. For a very limited time, you can get access to this powerful guide to living the internet marketing lifestyle for less than you'd spend on a night out at the movies. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the button below. And it gets even better. When you get this now, you'll also get access to some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the entire guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and improve your lifestyle quickly. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to improve your lifestyle. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to create the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. Fast action bonus number 4 is an internet marketing lifestyle infographic that makes it easy to quickly look at an illustrated guide to stay focused and on task. But you don't have to decide if this is right for you today. You'll get a full 30 days to try this out and make sure this is for you. If for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with this powerful guide to creating an amazing internet marketing lifestyle, simply let me know and I'll refund your tiny investment. But please don't sit around and wait. If you come back tomorrow, the price on this may be higher or this guide may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to work less, make more, and live an amazing life, click the button below to get instant access and get started today. Wait! Before you start creating the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle, this upgrade will help you to live the life you want to live even faster. First off, I want to personally thank you for picking up the guide to getting started creating the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. Inside, you're going to learn a lot and discover things like how to create the best work-life balance possible and how to work less and make more money. But what if I told you there was a way to make sure you stayed focused on creating this dream life and something that would actually get you results faster? Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is created in a step-by-step format, the fact is, there are a lot of people out there that get better results from watching something being done in front of them as opposed to reading about it. How about you? How do you normally learn things best? Do you prefer to read and go through a guide, or do you get better results if you could watch something being taught right in front of your eyes? If you're like the majority of people out there, watching a video of something seems to be preferred over reading a guide. And that's because most people are visual learners. In fact, many people that buy text-based courses or guides often fail to get through all of the training, because it truly is more difficult to follow along, stay plugged in and engaged. But what if you could get comprehensive training that shows you exactly what you need to do to build the ultimate lifestyle with internet marketing? Something that would take you by the hand and give you everything you need to stay focused and get there quickly. Sounds pretty good, right? Introducing the video version of the guide to creating your ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. The bottom line is this: I want you to live the life of your dreams through internet marketing. And the little details are often the difference between living that dream life or just living day to day. Or even worse. If you don't do things the right way when you're looking to build your ultimate internet marketing lifestyle, you could quickly find yourself floundering and getting burned out on the whole thing. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail that you're being taught inside the guide to creating your ultimate internet marketing lifestyle. To make absolutely sure that you don't miss any of the key details that can completely change your day-to-day and the quality of your life. Things like maximizing your sleep for getting the most out of your days, improving productivity with some awesome daily work hacks, and fixing your work-life balance and getting paid more to work less. If you miss just one important step to creating the ultimate internet marketing lifestyle, you could find yourself getting burned out on the whole thing, and possibly never living the lifestyle that you truly want and deserve. Sadly, many people that try to create the ultimate lifestyle with internet marketing never get the results that they hope for because they try to just figure it all out on their own. Don't do the same. When you follow what's inside the step-by-step video training in this video upgrade, getting results is easy. Upgrading to the video version of the guide you just purchased is the solution that guarantees you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you get to upgrade with special, customer-only, discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having a private tutor sit down next to you and show you exactly how to build the life of your dreams, it would be easy to put a price of several $100s on this upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easier to learn while you're on the go and get results that much faster. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with internet marketing to truly living life on your terms, it's impossible to fail. Not to mention, you get to test drive the upgrade for the next 30 days, with absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But whatever you do, please don't wait. This offer is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.